the area set up. I'll just show you what I got. This is what came with the bike. The engine was obviously blown. I got a box with basically all the parts. They did say that this head was just redone. Looks good, so using that. Clutch looks like it's alright. However, the problem, oh, if you're wondering what that is, that's an 08 250R. Got that one from Cowboy on 426 Dump Dock. But this one here, I should probably turn the lights on so you can see better. Maybe I'll turn the light on. It's going. You'll be able to see more of the damage. See how, well, look at all, you can see all the brass and the strain. But look at where that crankshaft just was bouncing around in there. I think I can fix that. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I can fix that. And there is a crack. There's a crack somewhere. Oh, there's a crack right there. Goes through. You can see it's misplaced a little bit. I can't even weld that and then file it down back. And then on this one, this was the left side. This is the right side. This one's got a crack right here. See, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a crack that goes all the way through. You can see it from over here, probably. It's hard to hold the camera and show you, but right there, cracks all the way through. Again, I think I can weld that and file it back. I think it should be fine. I got that motor just in case I couldn't, because that's the case is good. But anyway, yeah, I'll build another bike around that one later if I need to. So, just scraped off the gasket. I gotta take it all apart and clean it, clean all the parts. And then the bummer is that they gave it to me totally in pieces, so I'm not even 100% sure yet that all the pieces are even in that box. I know I took that out yesterday. Gears. We'll see. It looks like it's all there. And then this, of course, is the culprit. I can't really tell what happened. I mean, other than you can see there were pieces of this inside the engine. But if you look at here, you can see the spindle bearings, or whatever they call those, pin bearings. If you can see it when you roll it, they're not all there. But I mean, it rolls. It's just super rough because there's not all the bearings there. But it's hard to see what wore off, unless there's a bushing or something that I don't know engines that well, so. But obviously there had to be something there. I mean, all I can see is that. It doesn't look like, I mean, where did this come from? What is this? What is that from? That's for all that. Oh, look at all that brass. Oh yeah, look, see, there's even more pieces in there. Hold on a second, I put the camera down. You can kind of see them down in there. Gosh, down in there. I'm gonna get them out. Bear with me. Look at all the pieces that I just dumped out of the motor. What is this? I mean, that looks like these things all together. And by the size, if you look at the, if you look at all the way it's going together, the shape of it, They didn't mark them, so I don't know what their what part they're from other than that's got the oil sticking. It says obviously around something on there. I'll figure it all out somehow. I got the manual. I bought the manual, so we'll figure it out. Anyway, that's where we're at. That's the beginning of this 250 rebuild. Oh, and I didn't realize till after I bought it that this steering column's got an issue too. Super stiff. So you can feel it all crunchy in there, like the bearings are gone. And the back tires got a flat spot. The wheel's got a flat spot. You can see when you roll over there. But other than that, which is a lot, it looks okay. I don't know if the radiators work. It looks like some major holes